last night I was responding to a fire call in my truck and tried to use the windshield washer on the way there, and one side was super weak and the other side had nothing coming out of it. So let's see if we can figure out what's going on today. Show you what's going on here. See how the left side is super weak, nothing out of the right side. Let's pop the hood and see what we got. Oh, well, seeing as how we had a bunch of washer fluid just pour out of this side, I would say that the hose between the two squirter nozzles has failed. Let's get our body panel tool and pop that sound blanket or insulator or whatever that is off of there. Let's see if we can see what's happened. These tools are only a few dollars and they're super useful. Almost any kind of body panel thing like this, they're a pain to get off, and a lot of times you can't reuse them, but at least with a tool you got a shot at it. There's one. I actually keep a whole bunch of these in my shop. These panel nuts here, the panel fasteners, they're super cheap, and since you break them so often when you pull them out, it pays to keep a few sitting around. Appears to be broken. Huh. Well, I didn't even check my local auto parts store because I didn't want to run into town. I hate town. There's way too many people there and I don't like most of them. So I just ordered some parts online. 14 bucks for a kit with 2 nozzles and some more body panel pins. So we're just gonna throw a new nozzle right in there. It should just take a minute or two, and throw the insulating blanket back on. Really a pretty easy project. Hey, look at that. Okay, that wraps this one up. I know, quick and easy, but maybe this video will help someone out. Thank you guys for watching. Catch you on the next one.